You see that? Alright, in a pot, add salt, black pepper, bay leaves, cumin. Alright, next we're going to put in our pork. We're going to let that simmer. Alright, so once that's finished boiling, we're going to want to take it out. So next, what we're going to want to do is start to poke holes into the skin, like so. The more holes you poke in, the better. See how that works right there? When you push down, this comes up. A meat tenderizer, basically. Alright, we're gonna do all that. Poke a bunch of holes in it. Alright, that's it. Next, we're gonna pat these dry. And then we're gonna let it sit and cool off. Maybe for about 30 minutes to an hour. Depending on how dry it gets. The drier, the better. The reason for that is because when it goes to frying, you know, oils and water do not mix, so we gotta let it dry as much as possible, and it makes the skin way much more crispier. So pat dry like this, and we're gonna let that dry off as much as possible, and then we'll start frying. Okay, so we got the sweet and sour sauce, as we all people like to call it, the crack sauce. This is guacamoles, and of course the chicharrones pork belly. Here we go. Let's try the sauce first. Crispy, airy, so good. It's delicious. Try this one. Give this recipe a try. I'll see you guys next time I'm gonna eat this. Be sure to subscribe, like, follow, and share. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications for future videos. Until next time.